Are you frustrated with your current IT provider? Are you consistently struggling to get hold of him? When they come in and they eventually arrive, they temporarily fix the problem, but it reappears a few days later. If he's causing you to have a headache and you need to revert to having aspirin every day, then it's time for a new look at life. Impress Computers provides on-site and remote support. We proactively monitor and maintain your network, and we keep you secure. So we can provide outside network assessments, internal network assessments, and we answer our phones live, which means that if you've got an issue, you pick up the phone, we're going to answer it, and we're going to have a technician responding either remotely or on-site almost straight away. So don't be frustrated any longer. Give Impress Computers a call at 281-647-9977.